Subscribe to my channel.
Introduction. Hey everyone! Today we're solving the Rubik's Cube, but in super slow motion. You've seen fast solves before, but have you ever wondered what it looks like in incredible detail? Let's dive in and break down the cube movements like never before. Set up show the scrambled cube in close-up. If possible, show normal speed solve first, then transition into slow motion. Slow motion solve. Break it into phases, cross formation, explain movements if needed. First two layers, F2L with smooth transitions. Last layer, OLL and PLL, show finger tricks in ultra slow-mo. Add cinematic music and sound effects, e.g. cube clicks, swooshes. Analysis and commentary. Look at how the cube pieces twist and turn. Notice the smooth finger tricks and the way each move flows into the next. This is what speed solvers practice to make their solves efficient. Ending and call to action. Hope you enjoyed this slow-motion cube solve. If you want more cool Rubik's Cube content, smash that like button and subscribe. Bell.